My name is Davide Falcone and I've been working at Agrumaria Reggina since February 2025 as a junior recipe management technician in the juice and fruit division. I joined the company after seeing a job at the time. I had no experience in this field, so it was a completely new world for me. My goal was to learn new skills and grow in a stimulating environment. Today, in my daily work, I handle lab and warehouse organization and I support my colleagues along the day, always ready to help where needed. What I find more interesting is the chance to grow within a friendly and almost family-like atmosphere. In just a few months, I've learned a lot, developing technical skills, but also work method based on precision, responsibility and teamwork. Every day is an opportunity to grow, thanks to constant collaboration with colleagues and supervisors. If I had to describe what it means to work in the lab, I'd say it's a unique experience, where expertise, innovation and team spirit come together. Becoming part of Agrumaria Reggina has been an amazing opportunity. It allows me not only to learn a job, but also to grow as a person. The people, the project and the environment make me feel part of something truly meaningful.